Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I will be featuring CurlsCurls hair. Big shout out to CurlsCurls hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So it's been quite a while since I've done a V part or a U part, and today I have this gorgeous kinky straight blowout texture V part unit. This baby is 20 inches long. This is a medium cap size. So I showed you what this wig looks like right out of the package. It comes in a super thick, kinky, straight texture. So to get my hair to blend with this, I decided to flat iron this hair. So just look at the transition. This hair reacts to heat so well. It flat ironed so well. It looks too good. So I decided to do minimal leave out, which is what the V part is best for. You do not have to leave a lot of hair out to get it to blend with a V part. So this particular wig is 100% human hair. It's very soft and easy to manage. The price is super affordable as well. It starts at $135. This hair can also be curled, so you do have some versatility with this style. This wig also has an adjustable strap along with an elastic band inside, which I love because a lot of people's issues with U parts or V parts is the fit. So adding those reinforcements inside of the unit just help to ensure that you have a proper fit no matter what your head size is. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. We're going to do super simple. For starters, I braid down my perimeter. So what I'm going to leave out, I braided that down first. I used the trick in which I put the V part on and pulled the leave out through the opening. So I know that's all I needed to cover the top of the wig. And then I proceed to braid down my leave out. I did leave very little hair out because you don't want to have to manipulate your hair to get it to blend. And even if you're not using heat, I just feel like the less hair you leave out, the better. So that's what I decided to do. I then installed it and I showed you what that looks like. Super straight, very easy. Anyone can do this. You do not need this professionally installed. And then I showed you what it looks like with a little curl action. I attempted to show you what this looks like with no leave out at all. But I'm going to be honest, y'all. Whenever I try to do the no leave out look with the V parts, it just hurts too much. Like, I cannot take that tension at the very top of my head. Like, I can't do it. I prefer to leave a little out. Plus, I just think it looks better. So that is about it. Just stay tuned for the rest of the video. Big shout out to CurlsCurls for sponsoring today's video. Definitely check out the link in the description box. They have quite a few affordable wigs and they do specialize in textured units. So I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.
So tonight, I hit all the notes that I know you like. You know I'm a pro and I'm on the mic. We already here, so turn off the lights. Yeah, you had a lot to say. No more talking, you can use that mouth in other ways. Cause I want it now. I want it now. Now, and I won't say it again. Oh, you know I don't get naughty for anybody. I won't say it again. Even though this ain't the first time I said it one time, I ain't gon' say it again. Time to turn what you've been asking into actions. I won't say it again. I won't say it again. Yeah. Here we go. Baby, give me all of that ego. You say it's food for thought, let me feed you. This ain't even a half, it's a preview. Yeah, I had a lot to say. I'm done talking, I'ma throw it back like yesterday. Cause I want it, yeah. And I want it now. And I won't say it again. Oh, you know I don't get naughty for anybody. I won't say it again. Even though this ain't the first time I said it one time, I ain't gon' say it again. Time to turn what you've been asking into actions. I won't say it again. This might be new to you, this thing might be new to you, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. This might be new to you, this thing might be new to you, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. Bet a billion that you gon' like this, cause you never had a wild one like that. Don't really do one night shit, cause one night make them want a whole life. And you know I left my old lover in crisis, cause a new girl a hella uptight. And God broke the mold when he made my type. You got the same vibe, that's what I like. Yeah, it's all about me and talk about me and look at my pics all day. You always say please when I got to leave and say it ain't need to stay. They focus on T, I'm all that he needs and don't ever play no game. I love when you say my name. This might be news to you, this thing might be new to you, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. This might be news to you, this thing might be new to you, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby.
I don't love you, but you know I fuck with you. I think I wanna fly you to Peru from Malibu. I wish I had you to myself. I like your attitude, you too fly. She been talking to her friends, talking about the new guy. Talking about the money that I'm spending. I got vision, so you winning. Body fire, need a mitten. If I fuck up, then forgiven. I was dead on relationships, you made me feel like living. I'ma stand on a business, cause I got multi-million plans for us all to survive. All I need for you to do is never fold and don't lie. I felt like you was the one when I had looked in your eyes. Open the door, she seen a ghost, and we should go take a ride. Doing the most, don't never post, don't let them see what we got. We're on the boat, enjoy the post, she let me get right inside. This shit new to me, I never show nobody this side.
Been testing the patience, don't you keep me waiting.